Hey guys, this is Felix from Trade with Edge, and today I would like to introduce you to our brand new anchored VWAP tool for NinjaTrader 8. So many of you might know the tool which is called the anchored VWAP tool. So basically the VWAP is a volume weighted average price for an intraday chart. So by applying it to your chart, you see where the actual fair price is. So based on the volume, the price, and the time, it calculates the average price for that given day. And with the anchored VWAP tool, we take this step one step further, and you can actually apply the VWAP tool then to whichever anchor you want. So basically the start point, here you see the little dot at the chart currently right here, is what's called the anchor. So by drag and drop the anchor to another anchor, you see, okay, based on this anchor from this point in time, from this event-driven point maybe in time, you see the December low right here. So from this event where something fundamentally changed, which force is in control? Are the sellers in control or are the buyers in control? And you see, by applying this main concept of the VWAP on a multi-day or even a yearly chart, you can see, since this day, which force is in control. So we applied it to the December low, and now you see, once we had the pullback from the spice, you see the spice in the background, we pulled in from 294 down to almost 20 points in the spice, right here to the last support area. And you see it was also the first time we really pulled into the anchored VWAP to anchored VWAP from the December low. You see, the first touch was right here. The buyers were pretty in control, took it further and further. And you also see, once we can apply another one, and you see, they dropped a little bit below there, but they still had the control from this given point, So by applying it to your chart, there are a couple opportunities how you really can use this tool. But simply now we have like a conflict going on. We have the last high around 302s. You see that we have I highlighted that area, you see right here. So like lower highs maybe. We definitely would love to see a new high from here, but it pretty looks similar to the situation we had last October to last November, just before we made the new low. And we see it tested the second time right now, maybe test a third time, maybe we see a new low from there. So it helps to understand which force is in control. Since December still the buyers are in control, but from the last high you see the current sellers are in control. So the fairest price from the last high is 290.09 currently. So just before the market opens, we see that the sellers control this area. And you also can note a couple of articles on the web. So this whole concept was first introduced by Brian Shannon, CMT, and we worked together with Brian Shannon to get this tool for NinjaTrader. So it was currently developed for TC 2000, I guess. There are multiple other platforms you can use it, but I guess in terms of really how easy it is to use, NinjaTrader, the platform itself, provides one of the best platforms, which gives you the functionality you see right here. So we even have copies for tradingview.com, we have copies for Thinkorswim to use the anchored VWAP, but the architecture by itself is the best by NinjaTrader 8. So by using NinjaTrader 8, we were able to really use like scripts, like codes, so we can use here the drawing tools, you know. So you would go in here, go to the drawing tools, you see VWAP. You can also apply a hotkey. This is how I do it. I apply a hotkey to my VWAP, which is a custom built indicator. You can get it from us. Custom built drawing tool, you can get it from us. You see the link down below. It was developed by me, and I went ahead and I cooperated with Brian. So yeah, we can spread the word about that helpful tool so many of you guys can use it. So you could simply go in here and apply it to a chart. So the handiness that comes in here on NinjaTrader is one of the best ways you really can use it, because it's pretty useless in my opinion if you need to go in here and you change the time where it's anchored to. It works on TradingView, it works on Thinkorswim. So if you want it for those platforms, just message me. But it's even easier, like here you use the hotkey, you say okay, I want to apply it to this specific point in time, and boom, there you go. So it's that simple. Go to the click below to purchase it for NinjaTrader 8. Once you purchase with the link, you immediately get sent an email with the activation license and also the download link. So it's pretty easy. You get a link to videos how to install, which is pretty easy. So I hope that helped. If you really want to improve your trading, improve the methodology to implement the anchored VWAP principles into your own trading, and you have NinjaTrader 8, just go to the checkout page and purchase this one. Ask me anything if you have further questions regarding the anchored VWAP.